A washing machine is a compact electromechanical system designed to convert electrical energy, water, detergent, and controlled motion into a repeatable cleaning process. Its operation begins with user input, where the control board interprets the chosen cycle, load size, water temperature, and spin intensity. On modern machines, this logic is managed by an electronic controller that coordinates valves, sensors, a motor, and safety systems with precise timing. When the cycle starts, the inlet valves open and allow water to enter the drum or tub. A pressure sensor or water level sensor monitors the rising water column and signals the controller when the target level has been reached. At the same time, detergent is mixed into the water, creating a solution that reduces surface tension and helps loosen oils and particulate soil from fabric fibers. The core cleaning action is produced by mechanical agitation. In top-loading machines, an agitator or impeller moves clothes through the wash liquor, repeatedly lifting, dropping, and circulating them to dislodge dirt. In front-loading machines, the drum rotates slowly and then reverses direction, allowing garments to tumble through a shallow pool of water. This tumbling action, combined with detergent chemistry and controlled mechanical force, creates the main washing effect while limiting fabric wear. Behind the visible movement, the motor system is critical. Early machines relied on belt-driven universal motors, while many modern machines use inverter-controlled brushless motors for higher efficiency, quieter operation, and finer speed control. The controller varies motor speed and direction during wash, rinse, and spin stages, enabling different mechanical profiles for different textile loads. Temperature also influences performance. If the selected cycle requires heated water, a resistive heating element raises the water temperature to improve stain removal and detergent activity. Sensors continuously monitor operating conditions to prevent overheating, overfilling, or imbalance. The machine may pause or redistribute the load if the drum detects excessive vibration, because an uneven load can create damaging forces during rotation. After washing, the machine drains the contaminated water using a pump. The rinse stage then introduces clean water to remove residual detergent and loosen soil. This process may repeat multiple times depending on the program cycle, because effective rinsing is essential to prevent soap residue from remaining in the fabric. The final spin cycle demonstrates one of the most important engineering principles in the appliance. The drum accelerates to high rotational speed, and centrifugal force pushes water outward through perforations in the drum wall. The fabric retains less moisture as liquid is expelled into the outer tub and directed to the drain. Because this stage produces high loads, the suspension system, shock absorbers, and counterweights stabilize the machine and reduce transmitted vibration. A washing machine therefore operates as a coordinated system of fluid control, motor control, thermal management, sensing, and structural dynamics. Its apparent simplicity hides a precise sequence of engineering decisions that transform a household task into an automated process, balancing cleaning effectiveness, energy use, fabric care, and mechanical reliability.